Viewers, the Ek Rahenge message is back in headlines, but this time it is not the BJP leaders that are raising the pitch, but in fact, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge. That's right. In fact, Mallikarjun Kharge was speaking at a public gathering in the national capital, and he said that the BJP is trying to divide the country and all must unite to save the constitution and democracy. Listen in.
जब तक हम लोग किसी चीज को अगर हासिल करना है उसमें यूनिटी होना चाहिए। अब जब तक यूनिटी नहीं आएगी तब तक आप लोग कुछ भी हासिल नहीं करेंगे। मैं इसलिए कह रहा हूं, अगर हम टुकड़े टुकड़ों में बांटेंगे और कन्याकुमारी से कश्मीर तक अगर हम एक नहीं होंगे, बंगाल से लेकर गुजरात तक हम एक दूसरा का सहकार नहीं करेंगे, तब तक कोई चीज हम हासिल नहीं कर सकते। अगर सब एक रहेंगे तो कुछ हासिल करेंगे, अगर एक नहीं तो कोई किसी को कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है।
So you heard Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge saying, "Ek rahenge to kuch hasil karenge." Does it now not sound very similar to what Prime Minister Modi had been saying during the campaign in Maharashtra elections? Remember, he used to say, "Ek hai to safe hai. Ek rahenge to nek rahenge." Something that was continuously slammed by the Congress party. Congress party called these kind of slogans by Prime Minister Narendra Modi communal. But now, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has made a similar kind of a unity call. Now, BJP is pointing at the hypocrisy behind this Ek Rahe message. The Saffron Party is highlighting how the same message, when given out by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, was considered divisive and communal. And now, Congress Party is echoing it as well. Listen in.
जो मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी एक रहेंगे सेफ रहेंगे के नारे को सांप्रदायिक बता रहे थे, अब अपनी पार्टी वालों को बोल रहे हैं एक रहेंगे तब कुछ हासिल करेंगे, अलग अलग रहेंगे तो चुनाव हारते रहेंगे। कम से कम अब जब आपने स्वीकारा है कि एकता नहीं थी, नेतृत्व कमजोर था, पार्टी में कमियां थी, राहुल गांधी इफेक्टिव लीडर नहीं है, तो ईवीएम को, इलेक्शन कमीशन को, संवैधानिक संस्थाओं को बदनाम करना बंद कीजिए खड़गे जी।
Congress party, however, is now defending the statement made by its president Mallikarjun Kharge. In defense, Congress party is trying to suggest that BJP's focus was on a particular community, while what Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge is saying, that message is for the entire country. Listen in.
There is a lot of difference between both these statements. When Modi Sahab was giving this statement, "Ek rahenge to safe rahenge" during Maharashtra election, he was addressing a particular community. He wanted a particular community should come together.